After 40 years, 13 inquiries, tears of countless widows,
Former Congress leader Sajjan Kumar was awarded life imprisonment, and his escaping the death sentence in a murder case during the 1984 anti-Sikh riots brings spotlight back on the rarest of rare debate.
Sajjan was found guilty of leading a mob that killed a father-son duo in Delhi. The victim's widow and several Sikh groups demanded death penalty for Sajjan. The prosecution argued Sajjan's actions triggered mass genocide against a community and so fell under the rarest of rare category reserved for capital punishment in India.
पीपी साहब ने उन्होंने जो रिटन सबमिशन दे दी थी और उन्होंने जस्टिफाई किया था कि ये ऐसा केस है या जीनोसाइड हुआ था और कोल्ड ब्लडेड मर्डर था जहां पर एक बाप और बेटे को घर से बाहर निकालकर वो जिंदा जलाया गया था तो इसमें डेथ पेनल्टी होनी चाहिए.
But the Delhi court rejected the demand, citing Sajjan's old age and satisfactory conduct.
राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट ने अपनी जजमेंट में लिखा है सज्जन कुमार को सज़ा सुनाते हुए कि जेल से एक रिपोर्ट आई है जिसमें इसको मल्टीपल एलिमेंट्स हैं और बहुत बुरी तरह बीमार है, वो चल भी नहीं सकता और उसको बाथरूम जाने के लिए मदद की ज़रूरत है. जो हमें खबर मिली है कि ये बात सही नहीं है, इसने जेल से ये रिपोर्ट मैनिपुलेट की है.
The verdict sparked a gamut of negative reactions among Sikh groups who have awaited justice for over 4 decades.
हमारे पिताजी जो मारे गए, जिंदों को जलाया गया, जिंदों को आग लगाया गया. 11 मेंबर जिंदे दे साड़े कुआरे बच्चियां नू नहीं छड़िया, निक्के बच्चियां नू. इससे खुश नहीं है, इनको फांसी होनी चाहिए.
हमारे लिए एक सेटबैक जैसा ही है कि इतने सालों के बाद भी अगर जस्टिस मिला है और उम्र कैद हो जाए, हम सरकार के पास जाएंगे और उनसे दरखास्त करेंगे कि अपील में जाएं और हायर कोर्ट से इसके लिए फांसी लेके आए. इससे कम हमें कुछ भी मंजूर नहीं है.
हमें इंसाफ गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं दे रही? हम इस देश के वासी नहीं है क्या?
आज 40-43 साल के बाद ये समाज जब आता है, जब ये लगने लगता है कि आप मलहम लगा रहे हैं, इंसाफ नहीं हो सकता.
What exactly happened during the 1984 anti-Sikh riots in Delhi? We break it down for you. Under then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, the Indian Army launched Operation Blue Star to storm the Golden Temple to expel militants who were demanding Khalistan, an independent homeland. The separatists were led by Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale, a key figure in the Khalistan movement. At least 400 people, including 87 soldiers, were killed. The operation was a success, but many Sikhs saw it as an attack on their faith. Indira Gandhi was assassinated by her Sikh bodyguards Satwant Singh and Beyant Singh. The assassination was seen as a retaliation to Operation Blue Star. Widespread anti-Sikh riots erupted in Delhi and soon spread across India following Gandhi's assassination. Huge mobs armed with deadly weapons resorted to large-scale looting, arson, and vandalism of properties of Sikhs to avenge the assassination. Sajjan Kumar was then a member of parliament from Outer Delhi. He was accused of killing 5 persons in Delhi. A Delhi court has sentenced Sajjan for murdering Jaswant Singh and his son Tarundeep Singh. The court found sufficient material to form prima facie opinion that Sajjan had led a mob that attacked Jaswant's house, killed the father-son duo, and set their house on fire.
10 committees were formed to investigate the anti-Sikh riots.
But not all of them named Sajjan. Jain Banerjee Committee recommended registering cases against Sajjan, but none was filed. Jain Agarwal Committee recommended registering cases against Sajjan, but an FIR was lodged against him in 1991. A Delhi court found no sufficient evidence to file charge sheet against Sajjan. Nanavati Commission, constituted to probe violence in its aftermath, found Sachin was arrested and a charge sheet was filed. Murder and rioting charges were framed against him. Delhi court convicted Sajjan and sentenced him to life imprisonment. His sentencing came 40 years after he committed the crime, when he's already serving life sentence in another anti-Sikh riot case. Sajjan is currently lodged in Tihar jail. Many of the survivors, Sikh widows and their families were relocated after the riots to Widow Colony, a slum in West Delhi.
हमारा तो ये मानना है कि देखिए फांसी तो होनी ही चाहिए। रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयरेस्ट केस इससे ज़्यादा क्या होगा, जहाँ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 नहीं 10,000 से ज़्यादा सिखों को आपने सड़कों के ऊपर पकड़ के कांग्रेसियों ने जेनोसाइड कर दिया हो। जो जहाँ मिला उसके ऊपर तेल डाल के, टायर डाल के, उसके ऊपर केमिकल डाल के नृशंस तरीके से जब सिखों की हत्या कर दी गई। और मैं पूछता हूँ उनका कसूर था क्या?
"40 years, 13 inquiries, countless of tears later, the victims continue to ask, is this justice after all? Isn't Sajjan's crime rarest of rare?